Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript profile lookup. We have an array of objects representing different people in our contact list. A lookup profile function that takes name and property prop as arguments has been pre-written for you. The function should check if name is an actual contact's first name and given property prop is a property of that contact. If both are true, then return the value of that property. If name does not correspond to any contacts, then return no such contact. If prop does not correspond to any valid properties of contact found to match name, then return no such property. So in this case, let's check. We will use for loop for where I equal to 0, I less than contacts contacts dot length, I think I plus plus, and in the loop we have if name equal to contacts I dot first name and contacts I dot h on property, then prop, then only it will return contacts I and prop. Otherwise it will continue the loop to check if there are any value which fulfills the condition. If they are not, then in that case, if name does not correspond to any contacts, then return no such contact. So again a for loop where I equal to 0, I less than contacts dot length I plus plus, if name is equal to is it should check all the first name and if there are no condition. So we can check inside that loop itself. How can we do that? Let name present, let's keep name present equal to false. Initially it will be false, and in this else if name equal to contacts I dot first name, then in that case name present equal to true. So if name present, if name is not present, then return no such contact. And in the last we have no such property. Again we will use let prop present equal to false, else if contacts I dot hatch on property prop. If this was true, then prop present will be true. So in this case, present. If not prop present, then return no such property. Okay, this should work as intended. Let's run the tests, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.